Hi friends, I'm Rebecca. Welcome. This is Body Illumination. We have a 10-minute quick fix for you today. So if you're just getting out of bed, maybe grab a cup of tea or a cup of coffee or whatever it is that you need and join me on the mat. We need a couple of blocks if you use blocks in your practice and your mat. Okay, so we're going to get seated in a comfortable posture. You can flip your palms up into the sky. Let's set our intention for the day or maybe the midday. What is it that you want to cultivate? Maybe it's your evening practice. What is it you want to cultivate in your evening? Let out a nice sigh. Okay, now let's come on forward into our hands and knees on the mat. Okay, you're going to take your hands right underneath your shoulders and just take a moment to wiggle those hips from side to side and walk your knees under your hips. And then round through your spine, tuck your chin towards your chest, and arch into your cow. And then press back into a high plank and push back, downward facing dog, Adho Mukha Shavasana. Take a nice big breath here. Inhale, open your mouth, let out a nice sigh, and exhale. Now join me, float forward into a high plank and lower your knees, your chest, and your chin. Inhale, slither through Bhujangasana. Exhale, press your seat into your heels, tuck your toes. Adho Mukha Shavasana, downward facing dog. Pause and breathe. Inhale and exhale. Now bend your knees, look forward. You can either hop or you can step forward to the top of your mat. Inhale, lengthen through your spine, get nice and long. And exhale, bow down. And then inhale, rise all the way up to stand. Exhale, bring your hands through to your heart. Tune into your intention again. Inhale, reach up and back. And exhale, swan dive down into the earth. Inhale, get long. Exhale, hands come down into the earth. Step or jump back, high to low. Inhale, upward facing or cobra. Exhale, downward facing dog. Now from here, take your right leg up into the sky behind you. Open that leg up nice and high and bend the knee. Then look underneath your left arm. See if you can see that foot. Say hello. Step it all the way through between your hands and hold this lunge. Breathe. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Now take your right hand and you're going to bring it out on a diagonal from your front pinky toe. And you're going to lift up off of the back leg, coming into a half moon. Now, hold this half moon. You can use a block with your right hand or maybe take both hands down if that's what you're feeling, but really play with your balance here. Stay and breathe. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Now look down and square the hips, bend the left leg and bring it to the outside of your front foot and have a seat. Okay, we're coming into a seated spinal twist. Sit up nice and tall. Take your right hand behind you. Inhale, reach the left arm up into the sky and then exhale, twist towards that right leg. Inhale, grow tall. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. With each breath, just see if you can get a little bit more length on the inhalation. On the exhalation, see if you can twist a little more. And then come back through to center. Take a little counter twist to your left side. And grab onto that top right leg and rock it from side to side. We're going to take that leg, kick out the left leg, and place the right knee on top of the left knee, okay? Now, if you need to, take something underneath your hips, get tall here, and then exhale, start to fold forward. Now inhale, slowly come back up. Uncross that leg, pull the left knee in. Pause here, kick the legs out into boat pose. Maybe both legs reach out. Hold and breathe. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. On the next breath, you cross the legs, come back forward into a high plank. Press back, downward facing dog. Let out a nice sigh. Ha. Left leg reaches up into the sky. Take it up nice and high. And bring it all the way through between your hands. And pause here just for a moment. Breathe, inhale and exhale. Inhale, exhale. Okay, come with me. Left hand, make that diagonal from your left pinky toe. Lift up off your back leg, half moon pose. Open yourself up. Breathe, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Okay, now look down. Take both hands down, bend the right leg, and then bring the knee to the outside of your front foot. Have a seat. Okay, squeeze that knee in towards your chest. Left hand comes behind you. And use it like a little kickstand. Push yourself up. Right arm reaches into the sky. And exhale, twist. You're welcome to bind here. It's your practice. Breathe. Try to get a little taller. Grow tall on the inhalation. Okay, inhale, counter twist. Exhale. Face back forward towards the edge of your mat. Grab that leg, give it a little hug. Go ahead and straighten out the bottom leg, so your right leg. Okay, we're gonna place the left knee on top of the right knee. Sit up tall. Inhale here. Now, if you're rounding, that's your cue. Your body's saying, I need a block. So sit up on a block or a blanket or something, maybe even a couple of mats, and then start to fold. And you can feel the length in your lower back. Really, really important. You want to get length in the lower back. You don't want to tuck your lower back under, okay? So feel a slight anterior tilt back there. And then breathe. Inhale. Exhale. Okay, come all the way back up. And you're going to crisscross your legs, take your arms behind you, squeeze your palms into a fist. Okay, keep that fist behind you, bend your elbows, and then open your heart up. Maybe start to straighten those arms out. And then open your mouth. Ready? We're gonna let out a lion. Here we go. Really fierce. One more, okay? And make sure you laugh at yourself. Okay, come on to your back side. Take your legs up. Flip your palms down, and let's just end in an inversion, okay? So If you want to, you can end your practice right here or stay with me for just a moment longer. Allow yourself to melt into the earth and feel gravity guiding everything out of the feet, out of the legs, giving your legs time to rejuvenate. Okay, drop your legs down into the earth. Come on over to one side. Push yourself up nice and slowly. Bring your hands to your heart center. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Namaste. If you want to check out more of Body Illumination, check out our morning series. I'll show some links above, and check out our playlist, and remember to subscribe and hit the bell. That's really important. Otherwise you won't be notified of the next videos that come out. And also subscribe at bodyillumination.com. Check out our newsletter and add Rebecca at bodyillumination.com to your mailbox. And it's Rebecca with a K.